Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be doing my summer hair care routine. Yeah, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the bell so you get notified whenever I post. So before I start this video, I can say I'm sorry for not posting. I haven't posted in about a month. I finished school on the 14th of June, and then right after that, I had an opportunity to shadow my doctor to watch surgeries and such. So that was requiring me to get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning every day. So then when I got home, I like completely crashed. So I've been really busy, and now I just started working. So yeah, I've been washing my hair maybe once a week because of how busy I've been. And as you guys can like see, I need to trim like ASAP, but I'm doing a protective style for my birthday, which I'm also going to film. So yeah, before we start, I just want to tell you the products that I'm going to be using. So for my shampoo, I'm going to be using Curl Care shampoo from Curl Talk Not Your Mother's Naturals. Hold on. Focus. There you go. For my conditioner, I'm going to be using the JessiCurl 2 Shea Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. That's this one. I need to get another one. You need to like focus on that, not on my face. I need to get another one of those where it's about finished. For my deep conditioner, I'm going to be using JessiCurl Deep Conditioning Treatments. This one. Go. Good. Okay. For my styler, I'm going to be using Crunching Coconut Curls from OGX Frizz Define Curl Styling Milk. I could not read that. Come on. Whatever. You guys know what it looks like. And then, of course, for my gel, I'm going to be using the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Gel. So, I'm going to hop in the shower and just film while I'm in the shower so you guys can see how I apply it, how long I keep everything in, and so forth, and then see my results. Alright guys, so just got out the shower. I'm gonna let this air dry until it's dry and it's ready to be fluffed. Hopefully that's in the next 3 hours because I'm going to work and I'm trying to have it big before I leave. But yeah, I always air dry no matter what. I never diffuse because my hair gets really frizzy when it diffuses and like loses all its definition and it doesn't really get any volume. Honestly, diffusing just doesn't work for me at all. So yeah, my hair is getting super long. Okay, so I'll be back when it's time to fluff out my hair. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. So I use the Mongongo oil from Ouidad. Right now, I just spray it all around so that my hair can dry with some shine in it. I spray a lot. I spray a lot on my ends more so that my ends do not look dry. There's ends up here too. There you go. Alright, so I leave this and now gonna let it dry. Alright guys, so my hair is fully dry now, right before I'm leaving. So it did take the whole, what, like 3 hours, 2 hours, something like that. It took the whole time to dry. It is now completely dry, so now I'm going to fluff it out with the Righteous Roots oil. I'm going to put that much. And I'm gonna flip. I don't fluff it out too much because it is the summer and humid. It's humid. Whoa. And it's humid and I don't want it to get any more frizzier than what it's already going to get. So this is about as much as I do. It obviously isn't the volume that I usually have, but that is because I do need a trim so all my hair is weighing down. And like I said, because it's the summer and I don't fluff it out all the way, at some point, maybe like day 3, it'll become the volume that I always have. But yeah, this is what my hair is. All the definition is there, the shine, just like everything is here. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post.